HOTTEOK! Hi guys, we got some of this Korean sugar pancake mix, because it was on sale. This is a common Korean street food. We went to Busan and they're famous for their HOTTEOK packed with seeds, sunflower seeds and stuff. There's the pancake mix and the sugar mix. It's sold year-round, but it's especially popular and mega delicious in the winter when the super hot melted sugar just hits the spot on a cold day. The directions in English say, place warm water, yeast and pancake mix in a bowl and knead for 5 minutes. In Korean, it says, in a round mixing bowl, put 180 milliliters of warm water, add it to the yeast and mix well. Then add the pancake mix and knead for 5 to 10 minutes. Why are the directions different? I don't know. Guess it doesn't matter. HOTTEOK can have lots of different toppings on it. There are even savory ones available with noodles and meats in it. You can definitely customize. Think of toppings that go on crepes. Add nuts and seeds, or how about strawberry HOTTEOK, banana HOTTEOK, bulgogi HOTTEOK, bulgogi gochujang HOTTEOK. Oh, that sounds good. Anyway, do it the regular way the first time and then feel free to personalize it, because as you'll see, it's a bit tricky to stuff it. It's also totally doable to make this from scratch at home. I'll include some links to awesome YouTube videos that do that really well. We don't do that much around here because Oppa cooks here and he doesn't do desserts much. This is such a treat! This must be instant yeast, so you could just dump the pancake mix in right away and knead it all together. But Oppa likes to adhere to the instructions. This is a pretty sticky wet dough, so I'll tell you something now, that it's very important to oil your hands. It's so weird. He'll read some stuff to the letter for some things like 180 milliliters of water and then totally skip over important details like rub oil on hands. Boys are funny. A lot? How much? How much? Do you need that knife to cut it into, It says it should make 8 small balls of dough. Don't be afraid to use oil as needed. This is not a calorie-friendly recipe, guys. It's supposed to be sugary, oily goodness. You can also do this part by hand, like a pizza, just pinch in a circle until it's wide enough for the filling. You have to get a complete seal and pinch and close up all the sugar. You'll be pressing this in the pan and you don't want sugar oozing out everywhere and burning. Oil the pan well and get the whole pan well coated. They have a special flattener, press, squisher thing that they do sell at the Korean grocery to do this one thing for HOTTEOK. But as you can see, any flat thing to press it down will work. Press down gently. Heat should be medium-high, hot enough that it creates a crispy crust on the outside, but low enough so it just melts the sugar inside, but also doesn't burn the outside. This doesn't take too long, like a minute or two per side, but if you don't see it getting golden, just flip it over again. I can see how this would be much easier and faster the next time around, but regulate your intake because you know this is a treat, very high in calories and empty sugars. At the Korean street stalls, they'll give this to you in a paper cup, which we did here as well. This helps keep your hands relatively clean and catches any hot liquid sugar that may seep out as you're eating it. I'm calling them Korean sugar lava pancakes, but you'll find it mostly referred to as Korean sweet pancakes, which is, super boring. How about sugar bomb pancakes? Sugar delight pancakes? I'm still into the sugar lava pancakes. I hope it catches on. You're supposed to eat it right off the grill, constantly blowing on it so the sugar won't burn your tongue off, but eat it while it's hot. It's like eating a cinnamon roll right out of the oven versus eating it when it's cooled down. It'll still be good, but not as good. But for little kids, cool it down completely because, they don't know what's good for them. Anyway, next time you're at the H Mart or Asian grocery store and they have this, try it. You will like it.